Selling digital products as an affiliate is a great way to generate cash while you sleep, i.e., earn passive income, and to create a business model that is infinitely scalable. But your success will depend largely on your capability to select the right products. So, how do you do that? Partly it comes down to picking the right niche, finding something that speaks to your audience. But there are many other factors to think about too. Another thing to look out for when choosing your affiliate product is whether it comes with any extra materials to incentivize the buyer. If it's an ebook, for instance, then it might also offer free reports, a map, a cheat sheet, in order to seal the deal. If the whole package is more tempting, then it stands to reason that you should find it easier to sell. Oh, and one more thing. Make sure that the product looks good. If the product isn't good, then you struggle to sell it. And even if you don't, you may find there are returns. Most importantly, if you believe in the product you're selling, then it will come across in your marketing and you should seem a lot more passionate and engaged during your selling. Finally, consider the metrics. How much does the product cost? How many other sellers are selling it? Is it currently successful? Consider this in light of your own audience too. If you have an existing website with lots of viewers or subscribers, then ask whether they are likely to want to spend that much. One of the biggest advantages of selling affiliate products over selling digital product that you own is that you don't need to take risk. You can find a product that is already selling and then simply start profiting from it as well. This way, you know the item appeals to buyers and that it's easy to promote. This is far preferable to choosing a product than hoping that you pick something that would be popular given the current market. Once you have chosen your affiliate product and you have all the materials and your affiliate links, the next step is normally to create a sales page. This is a single page that is dedicated to selling the product that you want to promote. There'll be nothing else in this page. It's only for your pitch that says how great the product is.